Hi there! So I'm going to draw you some beautiful pictures to show you the difference between the intersection of events and the union of events. So suppose these are Venn diagrams. You've probably seen them in 3rd grade somewhere. And I have my circle key on here. Suppose A is this pretty circle here. So this is event A. A. It's a big A. Big A. Okay. And then B, I'll give B a different color. Let's give B yellow. So B is another event over here, and I can move this circle. So B, right now they're mutually exclusive. We have nothing in common. B is mutually exclusive, but as they merge together, it's happening before your eyes, you can see the intersection. Do you see they're intersecting, they're intersecting, they're intersecting? There you go. We'll call that B. This is event B. So the intersection, and we'll go to drawing here. This color white, sorry. The intersection, if I write probability of A intersection B, I think of this little upside down intersection symbol. It looks to me like a lowercase n, so I think and. The intersection is and. It's this center area here. I'll color it red, right there. That's the intersection, A and B. Okay, and you can see it's where the two overlap. So A and B. Intersection, I think, is a little bit intuitive. Most people get that. So the union, let's make some more circles. The union, get our white circle A back. Here's A, roughly the same size. So we're gonna scoot A around. Scoot it right there. And B, get another B. So for the union, we're interested in the events that are in A or B or both. So I'm going to scoot B over here. See, they're overlapping. That's the intersection. Here's B. The wording is sort of tricky in the English language. When we say, I'll make this white, when we say the probability of A union B, that's union. Sometimes I think of it as or, and I pronounce it in my mind or, like that, so I can remember that it's the union. We're interested in the events that are in A or B or both. So if we get our fill thing, these are the events that are in A, are right here, and the events that are in B are over here, and we also want the events that are in both of them, right there. So you can see, better make this my pen, this is going to be the probability of all the events that are in A, we got everything in this circle, plus the probability of the events that are in B, so that's everything in this circle. Oh no, we counted this red area twice because it overlaps. So because this area overlaps, we've counted it twice now. We counted it in both A and B. So now we have to subtract the overlapping area. So we subtract the probability of A and B. So we have probability of A plus the probability of B, and then you subtract the place where they overlapped. So this picture is how I remember that the probability of A union B, A or B, is the probability of A plus the probability of B, and then you subtract the probability of A intersection B. And in this case, it's just the probability of A intersection B. It's where they overlap. Hope that picture helps. I think it's quite pretty.